What's going on, everyone? I am Brandon with the Barber Group from Remax Dynasty. Today, I'm going to let you formulate your very own view on the housing market, and at the very end of this video, I'll share my view on the housing market. Let's let the data dictate our decision. There are 4 charts to go over. These are supply, median housing prices, closed transactions, and days on market. Let's get started. First, we'll take a look at total closed transaction sides. This is a snapshot of how many people bought or sold homes. You'll see that there has been a significant drop off from March to May. What's interesting here is this time last year, May was much higher. Now let's dive into supply. This is a snapshot of how many homes are available for sale. You'll see that although activity has dropped substantially, the amount of homes available has seen a slight bump up. Historically speaking, supply remains low. Now let's talk about days on market. This is a snapshot of how fast homes are selling. You'll see that days on market has stayed relatively flat and remains at a fast pace. What this is telling us is that homes that are put for sale don't last long. Lastly, let's discuss median house prices. This is a snapshot of home values at the midpoint. You'll see that median house prices have seen a slight tick down. I'd say the effects of the coronavirus are still lingering in the housing market. You can see this through closed transactions. Closed transactions, otherwise known as closed volume, is an indicator for how many homes have been bought or sold. However, given the fact that days on market and housing supply remains at historically low levels, it's hard to argue that the housing market isn't healthy. To reiterate, I think the housing market is healthy. Like always, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.